What's up everyone, and welcome to this amazing channel. In this video I will be walking you through the step-by-step guide on how you can easily set up and use one of the best build out there, and the name of this build is DIGGZ XENON build. DIGGZ XENON build is a build you will find within the Chef Omega wizard. Okay, so and it's very lightweight build. So without wasting much of your time, I'm gonna show you how to get this build installed, set it up, and use it on your Fire TV, Android TV, and any devices that is compatible with Koddi. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing to do is to go to your settings menu, scroll down to set systems, click on it, and then on the systems menu go to add-ons. On the add-ons section, go to unknown sources. Make sure you enable the unknown sources. Once you click on it, you get this notification that will say add-ons will be given access to personal data stored on this device by allowing you agree that you are solely responsible for any loss of data, unwanted behavior, or damage to your device, period. So proceed. So you have to say yes. By the way, I recommend using VPN while accessing Koddi content, because of the contents in this particular builds are not safe, so it's recommended to use a VPN. So once you must have enabled the unknown sources, go back to your home screen again. Then on the home screen, go to settings again. Then this time you have to click on File Manager, and then on the File Manager, scroll down and click on the Add Source. Click on it, and then on the Add Source you will find this none. Click on it, and then here, this is where it gets interesting. Okay, here at this point you have to enter the URL. This URL is where we will be able to start. This is our media source URL, so you make sure you enter this URL exactly this way. So http this tinyurl.com/DIGGZ123. After entering this, you cross-check, triple-check the URL, make sure it's correct. After that, you have to click OK. Click OK. Now, on the section where you find enter a name for this media source, oftentimes it automatically inputs a name there that you're just gonna leave it. But if you want, you can change the name. So in my own case, I'm gonna leave it like that. But if you want, you can change the name that you can easily remember. Okay. Now, click OK, and then go back to home screen again. Now on the home screen, click on the settings icon again, and then this time go to on the settings menu, click on add-ons, and then scroll down to install from zip file. And then at this point you have to choose the name you saved the media source file with. Okay, so in my case I use DIGGZ123. So if you use a different name, you have to choose that name here. So I'm gonna choose DIGGZ123, and then click on repository, this one. Then I have to wait for the DIGGZ repository to install. As you can see, it's already installed. And then I have to, now after it must have installed, I have to click on install from repository, click on it, and then click on DIGGZ repository, and then this time I have to scroll down all the way to program add-ons, click on it, and then I'm gonna click on Chef Omega wizard, click on it, and then scroll down and click on install, and then click OK. So I have to wait for the Chef Omega wizard to install. After installing, it will pop up a notification or a dialog box on the screen, then which will allow me okay, it's already installed, as you can see, or Chef Omega wizard installed. So I'm gonna click close, and I close this, and then it also bring out another dialog box that asks me there's no build currently installed. There is currently no build installed. Would you like to install one? I'm gonna say no, because I wanna go through the build menu, right? So I'm gonna click no. So once I click no, I have to click on chef wizard, and then once I have to click on here, then once I click on it, I'll have to scroll down and click on open. Now here, this is the chef omega wizard menu, main menu, right? You will find, as you can see, you find the build menu, maintenance, authorize, notifications, settings. So our main focus is on the build builds within this particular to install this build, right? So we have to click on build menu. So now once you click on the build menu, you will see the builds within this. So we are going to install DIGGZ XENON, right? So I am choosing the first one, which is DIGGZ AIO Hybrid version 2.1, right? So I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna install it. But in your own case, if you wanna install another version of builds within this particular wizard, which as you can see, for at least 5 builds here, you will see the DIGGZ AIO, DIGGZ AIO free, DMO, MathOS Kits version, DCG Meg version. So these are all DIGGZ XENON, but different versions, right? So you can choose any one you want to install here. But in my own case, for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna install the first one, which is DIGGZ AIO Hybrid. Okay, I'm gonna click on it. Once I click on it, it brings out a dialog box that says the wizard is ready to install your build. Continue. Once I click on continue, it begins to install. Once I click cancel, it will cancel. So since I'm gonna install it, I'm gonna click okay, click what, continue. So it's already installing, so I have to wait for the installation to complete. Once it's complete, it will download. After downloading, it will initiate this installation. After initiating this installation, it will complete its installation, and then what else? It will install. Once after installation, it asks me, then I'm gonna get a notification that asks me to close my Koddi so that I'll be able to use. Okay, so the steps are quite easy. All you have to do is make sure watch this video from the beginning to this point. I'm pretty sure you will have this particular build on your device. So that's it, guys. Subscribe, comment, let me know your thoughts, like this video, and then see you guys in my next video. Thank you for the support. Thank you so for those who have supported me so far in this journey, for liking my videos, subscribing, commenting, and then watching my video. It means a lot to me, guys. So see you guys in my next video. Yep.